Hello, my name is Nick Vendegiesen and I would like to show you how to build a simple sensor to detect the impact of raindrops. The sensor is basically a small drum consisting of two parts. The skin is a simple piezoelectric element and there's a 3D printed holder. See the link below for the design file and materials needed. First, carefully twist the wires of the piezo element. These wires pick up a lot of electromagnetic noise, and by twisting the wires, we greatly reduce the effect because any noise in the plus terminal also finds its way into the minus terminal, thereby cancelling the noise. Put a few drops of superglue to keep the wires twisted. Now, put the wires through the hole at the bottom of the drum and fit the piezo element within the rim. Note the notch where the solder bead fits. Put superglue around the edge and fit in the piezo element. No need to push because that may damage the piezo. We now have a little drum. To keep the element from rusting and also to make sure no moisture creeps into the 3D printed holder, we have to coat the sensor. Here I simply use nail polish as that tends to be easy to work with and is remarkably strong. Other coatings are possible as well. Make sure the coating is dry and add touch-ups or a complete second layer if you're not convinced it is waterproof. Make sure, however, that you do not completely close the hole where the wires come through. If need be, use a pin to ensure there's a small hole so no pressure can build up in the sensor. That's it. There's more information on how to monitor the signal from the sensor under the links below.